Hey there, nail detectives. Ever taken a closer look at your nails and felt like they're trying to send you some Morse code? Well, get ready to crack the case because today, we're on a mission to decode the mystery behind those sneaky vertical ridges. Now, before you start suspecting your nails of some covert operation, let's remember they're not just for show. These little guys are like tiny health spies, giving us clues about what's going on inside our bodies. So, buckle up as we embark on this nail-biting adventure to uncover the truth. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nail health to separate fact from fiction and shed light on those elusive vertical ridges. But fear not, we'll keep it light and fun while still delivering the expert insights you need to keep your nails in tip-top shape. So, grab your magnifying glass and get ready to crack the code. Let's jump right in. Understanding vertical ridges. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly are these vertical ridges, and why are they showing up uninvited on our nails? Vertical ridges are those tiny lines that run from the tip of your nail down towards the cuticle. They're like little speed bumps on the road to flawless nails. But don't confuse them with other nail oddities like horizontal lines or bumps. Those are different cases altogether. Now, these ridges can vary in intensity and visibility. Some might be subtle, like a whisper in the wind, while others can be as noticeable as a neon sign in Times Square. But no matter their appearance, one thing's for sure, they're intriguing little fellows. So, are these ridges a rare anomaly that only a select few are blessed or cursed with? Not at all. Vertical ridges are actually pretty common among the masses. Yep, you heard that right. You're not alone in this nail adventure. But here's the good news. In many cases, these ridges are about as harmless as a ladybug on a sunny day. They're often just a natural part of the nail aging process, like fine lines on a well-loved book. So, before you go into full-blown panic mode, remember that vertical ridges are often nothing to fret about. Causes of vertical ridges. Number 1. Aging. The inevitable passage of time. It affects everything, even our nails. As we gracefully, or not so gracefully, age, our nails go through some changes too. Picture it like this. Just as a well-tended garden flourishes over time, our nails develop their own unique quirks. And one of those quirks can be those pesky vertical ridges. So, what's happening on a cellular level? Well, think of it like this. Our nail beds, much like our bodies, undergo changes as we get older. The production of keratin, the protein responsible for nail strength and structure, may slow down, leading to those charming little ridges we sometimes notice. It's like our nails are telling us, hey, I've been around the block a few times. Number 2. Nutritional factors. Now, let's talk about the stuff we put into our bodies, our diet. Turns out, what we eat can have a big impact on the health of our nails. Imagine your body as a fancy sports car, and your diet as the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. When we're lacking in essential nutrients like iron and biotin, it's like putting regular gas into a high-performance engine. Things just don't run as smoothly as they should. So, if you're noticing those vertical ridges making themselves at home on your nails, it might be time to take a peek at your plate. Are you getting enough of the good stuff? Think leafy greens, lean proteins, and colorful fruits and veggies. They're like the VIP pass to nail health, ensuring your nails stay strong and ridges stay at bay. Number 3. Hydration status. Alright, let's talk hydration, the H2O hustle. You see, our bodies are like well-oiled machines, and hydration is the oil that keeps everything running smoothly. When we're not getting enough water, it's like running a marathon without water stations along the way. Things start to get a little rough. And guess what? Our nails feel the effects too. Dehydration can sneak up on us, leaving our nails feeling dry, brittle, and prone to those dreaded vertical ridges. It's like they're waving a tiny white flag, begging for some hydration TLC. So, what's the solution? Keep that water bottle handy and sip away like it's your job. Your nails will thank you. Trust me. Number 4. Underlying health conditions. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of health conditions. The ones that like to hide in the shadows and play tricks on our nails. Conditions like psoriasis and eczema are like the mischievous gremlins of the health world, causing all sorts of mischief, including those sneaky vertical ridges. When our bodies are dealing with these conditions, our nails can become the unwitting victims, showing signs of distress in the form of those telltale ridges. It's like they're sending out an SOS signal, saying, "Hey, something's not quite right here." So, if you notice anything funky going on with your nails, whether it's ridges, discoloration, or anything else that seems off, don't hesitate to reach out to your friendly neighborhood healthcare provider for a little detective work. After all, it's better to be safe than sorry. Number 5. Injury or trauma. Now, let's talk about the nail world's equivalent of a nail-biting thriller, injuries and trauma. Picture this. You're going about your day, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam, you accidentally slam your finger in the door or whack it against a hard surface. Ouch, right? Well, turns out, your nails feel the pain too. When your nails take a hit, it's like they're caught in the crossfire of life's little accidents. The result? Those pesky vertical ridges that pop up seemingly out of nowhere. It's like your nails are saying, "Hey, remember that time you accidentally used me as a hammer? Yeah, I haven't forgotten." So, next time you find yourself in a precarious situation, whether it's wielding a hammer or engaging in an intense thumb war, be gentle with those nails. Trust me, they'll appreciate the TLC, and you'll thank yourself later when you're admiring your smooth, ridge-free nails in all their glory. Tips for nail care. Alright, folks, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of nail hygiene. Because let's face it, nobody wants to rock a chic manicure on dirty nails, right? So, first things first, it's time to break out the scrub brushes and soap. When it comes to keeping those nails squeaky clean, regular cleaning is key. No need to go all out with a spa day for your nails. A simple scrub with soap and water will do the trick. And hey, while you're at it, why not trim those nails too? Just remember, gentle does it. We're grooming, not guillotining here. A balanced diet packed with nutrients like iron and biotin can work wonders for your nails, turning them from meh to marvelous in no time. And don't forget to hydrate like it's your job. Water is the elixir of life, people, and your nails will thank you for it. Oh, and while you're at it, take a chill pill every now and then. Stress? Ain't nobody got time for that, especially not your nails.